SUGARCANE Shane versus George Foreman, round 3. Alright, get a half can of chickpeas and a half can of black beans, bunch of parsley, 1 spring onion, and 1 clove of garlic. Breakdancing chili. Chop all of these up as small as possible. 1 tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, some tomato puree, and some lemon juice. Handful of walnuts, blend it up. 1 cup of oats, blend it up till it's fine. Mix it first, run your fingers through it so all the ingredients are incorporated, then start mashing it with your hands. Could make about 4 burgers with this, 3 if they tick like mine. Gonna throw in some sweet potato as well, put that on the grill for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna slap the burgers on for 10 minutes. Put some vegan red Leicester cheese on top. Bit of avocado smash, you know. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to a vegan friend.